Hey guys, John here, Vaporonic Technology. Today we want to talk about one of the awesome things that we provide for you as a customer, which is our free trial parts processing service. And this is for someone interested in the process, but they're maybe not sold on the process. Maybe they don't know if it's going to work exactly how they want, so on and so forth. So we are here to provide you a free service in the beginning to trial process a couple of your parts. Now, when we say a couple, we don't want you to send hundreds of thousands of parts in here. Yeah, we've actually had that happen before. We want you to send a couple parts in so that we can run some sample testing with different abrasives, different pressures, different angles, and give you a multitude of options when it comes back to figuring out what works best for you. Again, we don't want big sacks or boxes of parts coming in because, yeah, that happens sometimes. Just give us a couple parts and we're here and we can help and we can figure out a solution that fits best for you. But again, it is a free service and we want to make sure that something fits and works for you as best as possible, and that's why we want to do this up front so we can see if it works. But if you guys have questions, give the sales team a call, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.